Okay, this is 2.1 first day, and it's material you've covered in Algebra 1 and in Algebra 2 and in geometry, talking about the equation of slope. Whenever I ask for equation of slope, somebody in the room says y equals mx plus b. So we must have taught that so you can really remember it. But in that is the equation of a line, not equation of slope. M in there is the slope, and B is the y-intercept. But that takes us back to slope. What's the equation for slope? Eventually, somebody remembers rise over run. And yes, I misspelled that, but I misspelled it on purpose because the rise is the difference in the y's, and what the run is the difference in the x's. So if we have 2 points, 2 coordinates, 2, 3, and 4, -7, this would be the first x. X in coordinates, x first, y second. In slope, y on the top, x on the bottom. A lot of people get those mixed up. This is the second x. This is the second y. So the second y, -7, minus first y, 3, over the second x, 4, minus the first x, 2. -7 minus 3 is -10. 4 minus 2 is 2. -10 over 2 is the slope of -5 or -5 over 1. If we want to see the rise over run, down 5 to the right 1. Okay, which brings us to this, and how do you graph it? If we had y equals 3x minus 4, y-intercept tells us where it crosses the y. Put a 0 in for x, you get y equals -4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Y equals -4. Slope tells us 3, but it's rise over run, so 3 over 1. So up 3 to the right 1. 1, 2, 3, right 1. There's our 2 points that can create a line. The other 2 important things you need to remember, if it says y equals 2, if that's the slope, that means everywhere on it, the y is at 2. At 1, 2, at 2, 2. So in other words, it's a horizontal line through 2. That particular point is 0, 2. If then we have one that says x equals -1, well, instead of going horizontal, it goes vertical through the point -1, 0. And that should get you through day 1 of this section of 2.1 first day.